Using a Phillips head screwdriver, begin to unscrew the top screw for the turn signal light. After turning a few turns, it should pull out simply. Detach the Molex connector. Remove the weather stripping by lifting the clips and pulling outward. Don't forget the inside one. The bottom trim is actually very difficult unless you've removed it before, in which case it can get warped and pop out. There's an inner clip and clips on the outside which may need to be manipulated with a screwdriver. Use a flathead. Pop the tabs, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and 1 on the inside near the kidney grill. They will make a clicking noise if they've popped out correctly. Once all 7 clips have properly popped out, you can lift them and pull the entire front lens out, making sure that each does not pop back in as you go. Now, simply remove the beauty trim. There are 4 clips, 1 in each corner. Once you've done this, you'll be able to access the actual headlight to install or uninstall Angel Eyes.